Hi, myself Shivani. I'm a gold director with Oriflame from Delhi branch. I have done earlier BTech and MBA. Then later on, I have done few years of corporate job. But thereafter, I realized that I have to take care of my daughter, my family. So further, corporate job will not possible for me. So I joined Oriflame 20 months before, and my monthly income with Oriflame right now is approximately 1 lakh rupees. So this is the opportunity where you can also start your business at home, where you need not to travel anywhere. You are simply using the online platform like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. We are doing a lot of training programs through Zoom application where you can learn how to work in Oriflame. As you might have aware that Oriflame is the Indian brand where its 25 years has been completed in India, and there are a lot of products in Oriflame which we can use for our day-to-day life, and we can easily start our business at home. Each and every product is having a certain bonus point, and these bonus point are the base of the business, right? You can earn a lot of income here, you can earn a lot of bonuses here, you can definitely qualify a lot of training programs by Oriflame. If you joined Oriflame in 2021 by becoming senior manager this year, you can qualify Dubai as the director seminar. Also, you can earn the travel bonus by the company. How we are working, what are our things which we are doing. We are completely we are completely doing everything at home. You need not to travel, but you have to attend all those training programs which we are running, and you have to invest your 3 to 4 hours on daily basis to understand the business requirement and to do it. Yes, of course, we are not doing any kind of sales. Also, we work on the leadership, we work on training programs. That is why we become the fastest growing leaders in India. So, thank you so much. If you really wanted to join us, you have to register with your ID proof, and then we can have a connection, or we can have a one to one meeting thereafter.